Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to update Windows on Dell Latitude 5420. To update Windows, just go to Settings, then go to Update, Windows Update, and check for updates. Okay, I don't think it has any right now, but if it has, then you'll have a button to download and install all. And it'll start downloading and installing, and of course you can continue to use your laptop while it's being done. But later on, it may prompt you to restart your laptop, so if it does, you can restart it either now or schedule a restart, and after the restart the update will be applied. By the way, the restart may take longer than usual. And that's all about it. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.